Hello everyone and welcome to my presentation. This is Module 12, the very end of our class. It's been fantastic. Had a great time looking at the different ways to collect data, how to evaluate, how to assess it. As a teacher, we never know these things because we always get the information from the surveys, from the questionnaires, but we never have the opportunity to actually be part of the collection process. And this class gave us, I think, an opportunity to understand what administration goes through, what your survey collectors go through, information collectors, and then the chain that information follows to get down to us, so then we in the classroom can make those changes, make those adjustments to make our classroom environment a lot more conducive to learning and a lot less conducive to discipline issues and failing grades. So I put together a little protocol here. You'll notice everything points toward the middle of the protocol. Okay, starting down here at the bottom where the district takes a step in. Notice that the district does an organization, has to put together the questionnaires, has to understand what exactly are we looking for, and then as we move around the circle here, we go all the way to where we can integrate that new information and that new evaluation into the classroom. And this is all based upon building up from data information that's been collected throughout either the first semester, first quarter, second quarter, whatever it might be. I know we do it here at Dodge City Alternative School 3 times a year, and we're about ready to do our second one, and that'll give us as teachers again an opportunity to look to see how we're reaching our students and how they are adapting to our information and what sort of things we can do to help change that up to make their lives a little bit better and make our curriculum a little bit more conducive to what they're doing for learning. As we present this to the administration and to the board, we created a little protocol database here, a little step-by-step of what needs to be done. And notice this matches up with the previous picture that I showed, where we go from conducting surveys with parents, teachers, and students all the way down to integrating that new methodology in, to making sure that our progress is proficient and that we are headed in the right direction. So collecting data and all the way through the assessment process is a time consumer, but it is also important to understand that teachers need to be involved in that process.